Good morning students. Today we will see important questions on integrals. So there are 6 important results and the first result is integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Let us see the proof of this. Integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. So what we can do here is multiply and divide by 2a. So you can see here 1 by 2a will come here and here I can say 2a divided by this x square minus a square we can write as x minus a into x plus a, here I can say dx. This we can write as 1 by 2a into integral of this 2a can be write as x plus a. I want a here, so x is already here, so minus I can write here x minus a. You can see here x cancel, a plus a is nothing but 2a divided by, here I can say x minus a into x plus a dx. So you can see here, so x cancel, a plus a is 2a, so 2a cancel, finally you will get this. Now separate, so this term divided by this followed by this term divided by this. So tell me what you will get. So this we can write as 1 by 2a into integral of this divided by this. So what you will get, 1 by x minus a will come minus this term divided by this. You will get what? 1 by x plus a. Here I can say what? dx. Or this we can write as 1 by 2a into, what is integral of 1 by x? Assume this to be x. What is integral of 1 by x? It is log of mod x. So this we can write as log of mod of x minus a minus, again it is something like 1 by x. What is integral of 1 by x? Again I can say log of mod of x plus a, and here I can say plus c. Whenever we integrate, constant of integration definitely comes. Log a minus log b, we can write as what? Log of a by b. So 1 by 2a, here I can say log a by b. So here I can say x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. So this is what we have to prove. So here we can say hence true. I hope the proof is clear. The next very important result is integral of 1 divided by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Let us see the proof of this one. So this is 1 divided by a square minus x square dx. So again what we have done in previous result, same, multiply and divide by 2a. So this we can write as 1 by 2a integral of this 2a divided by, here I can say a square minus x square dx. Now see here, or this we can write as 1 by 2a into integral of this 2a can be write as a plus x minus, or can I say plus a minus x. Can we write or not? Tell me. Now x cancel, a plus a 2a 2a. So both will get cancelled and finally you will get 1 only. So here divided by this I can say what? A square minus x square dx. I hope the step is clear. Next, separate. So this term divided by this followed by this term divided by this. So what you will get here is, this we can write as 1 by 2a integral of a plus x by a square minus x square. So, or let me write one more step. A plus x plus a minus x divided by this a square minus x square can be write as a minus x into a plus x. Here I can say dx. Now you separate. So this term divided by this. So this I can say 1 by 2a. So both will get cancelled. You will get 1 by a minus x plus this term divided by this. You will get 1 by a plus x. Here I can say what? Dx. Or this we can write as 1 by 2a. 1 divided by a minus x. So integral is what? So here I can say log will come. So log of mod of a minus x. Since minus 1 is multiplied, okay, or I can say coefficient of x is minus 1. So in the answer we have to divide by minus. So minus will come here, plus here I can say log of mod of a plus x plus c. So as I told you that whenever we have to integrate, constant of integration will come. It is something like log a minus log b. We can write as log of a by b. So this we can write as 1 by 2a log of a by b. So a is a plus x divided by, here I can say a minus x plus c. So this only we have to prove. So which result I apply here? So we know that log a minus log b is equal to log of a by b. So here we can say hence. I hope the steps are clear. Let us see one more result. If you see first two results, okay, proof is same for both the results. Let us see the third result. Third result is integral of dx divided by x square plus a square, and the value is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. Very important result. Let us see proof of this. So in the formula only hint is there, tan inverse. So what we can do here is, so here I can say dx divided by x square plus a square. So I am assuming x equal to a tan theta. So let x is equal to a tan theta. If you know the result, by knowing the result we can make the conclusion that what we have to substitute. Since tan is there, we can say x is equal to a tan theta. Now dx. So here I can say differentiate with respect to x. So x1 is equal to a. What is the differentiation of tan theta with respect to x? Here I can say what? Secant square theta d theta divided by, here I can say dx. Now dx I am shifting here. So what you will get? Dx is equal to a into secant square theta. Here I can say what? D theta. So what I am doing here is this value of x and this value of dx, both I am keeping here. So what you will get here is, so this we can write as see here. So dx. So dx is nothing but a secant square theta d theta divided by x square. So what is x square? A square tan square theta plus here I can say a square, or this we can write as a secant square theta divided by here a square, here a square, we can take a square common. So what is left here? Tan square theta plus 1. Here I can say what? D theta. Now see here, this we can write as a into secant square theta divided by a square into tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but secant square theta. Here I can say d theta. You can see here secant square theta cancel. 1a cancel. So what is left? 1 by a is constant, it will come outside, and this we can write as d theta. What is integral of d theta? It is nothing but theta. So this I can say 1 by a into theta plus c. But what is theta? What is theta? So from this, can I say that tan theta is what? Tan theta is nothing but, can I say x by a or not? Tan theta is nothing but x by a. So theta is what? Tan inverse x by a. So from this I can say 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So this is the required proof. So here we can say hence. So let us see the proof once again. So very simple. Put x is equal to a tan theta, dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Put both the values in the given result. You can see here secant square theta cancel. 1a cancel. 1 by a is constant, it will come outside. Integral of d theta is theta, and theta is nothing but tan inverse x by a plus c. I hope the solution is. Next result is integral dx divided by root over a square minus x square equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. So sine inverse is there, that means we have to take x is equal to a sine theta. So let us see the proof of this one. So integral dx divided by root over a square minus x square. So here I can say let x is equal to a sine theta. Dx means differentiate both sides with respect to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of x 1 equal to a differentiation of sine theta, it is cos theta into d theta by dx. This dx I am shifting to the side. So dx is nothing but a cos theta d theta. So what I am doing here is this value of x and this value of dx I am keeping here. Put the value here. So what you will get here is, so this will become dx. So dx is nothing but a cos theta d theta divided by square root of a square minus x square. X square is nothing but a square sine square theta, or this we can write as a cos theta divided by, so a square is here, we can take a square common. What you will get? 1 minus sine square theta. Here I can say d theta, or this we can write as a cos theta divided by, now look here, so a square is here, So let it be a square inside the root only. 1 minus sin square theta can be write as cos square theta. So this will become cos square theta. Here I can say what? D theta. Now 2, this and this will get cancelled. So what is left? You can see here a cos theta divided by denominator also it is a cos theta. Here I can say d theta. So a cos theta cancel. Finally left is what? Integral of d theta. What is integral of d theta? It is nothing but theta plus c. Now what is theta? So from this, what is sin theta? So sin theta is nothing but, here I can say what? X by a. So what is theta from this? So theta is nothing but sin inverse x by a. So from this we can say it is nothing but sin inverse x by a plus c. Here we can say hence. I hope the proof is clear. So what we did in this is we assume x is equal to a sin theta. Differentiate, you will get dx equal to a cos theta d theta. Put both the values in this. Okay, so you can see here you will get this step. So take a square common, 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. So both will get cancelled. A cos theta will also get cancelled. D theta. Integral of d theta is nothing but theta plus c, and theta is nothing but sin inverse x by a plus c. Let us see the proof of next result. Integral dx divided by root over x square minus a square equal to log of mod of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. Now look here. So here we can say dx divided by square root of x square minus a square. So here I can say let x is equal to a secant theta. I am assuming x as a secant theta. Dx means differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of x? 1 is equal to a into, what is the differentiation of secant theta? It is secant theta into tan theta d theta divided by, here I can say dx. This dx I am shifting to other side. What you will get? Dx is equal to a secant theta into tan theta. Here I can say d theta. So this value of x and this value of dx I am keeping here. So this will become what actually? So this we can write as integral of dx a secant theta divided by this I can say square root of x square. So what is x square? So it is a square secant square theta minus a square dx. Dx is nothing but it is a secant theta tan theta d theta. Here. So what I can do here is, so this we can write as a secant theta divided by, see here a square, here a square, we can take a square common. So when you take a square common, what you will get? Secant square theta minus 1, and here I can say a secant theta tan theta d theta. Or you can see here, this we can write as a secant theta divided by, now a square, and this is nothing but secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So it is inside the square root. If it is coming outside, you will get a will come from here and tan will come from here. This I can say tan theta. Here I can say a secant theta. Right? Here I can say what? Tan theta d theta. So you can see here, so I think dx, so dx I have written here, yes or no? So this step will not come here, this I can say 1 will come here, right? So 1 by this will come, so here also you will get 1 only. Already I have written here, so here also 1 will come, here also 1 will come. So this is 1, so here also 1 will come. So you can see here, tan theta cancel, a cancel, so secant theta. So here we can say what? You will get integral of secant theta d theta. What is integral of secant theta? It is nothing but log of mod of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. But the result is in terms of x and a. So let us put the values. So log of secant theta is nothing but. So from this tell me what is secant theta. So from this I can say secant theta is nothing but, I can say x by e. Right? So secant theta is nothing but x by a plus tan theta. Now what I can do here is, let us draw one right angle triangle. So this is theta. So x by a, so this is x, this is a, use Pythagoras theorem, this will be what? X square minus a square. So from the figure, what is tan? So from the figure, tan is square root of x square minus a square divided by a plus c. Now take LCM, you will get log of x plus square root of x square minus a square divided by a plus c. Now it is something like log a by b. Log a by b we can write as log a minus log b. So this we can write as log a minus log b. Here I can say plus c. Or in place of c, can we write k or not? It can be anything. So I am writing k here. Here also I am writing k here. Now, c minus log a is, or here I can say k only this is, or k minus log a is constant or not, and constant we can write anything. So this we can write as log of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. So this is the result which we have to prove. So here we can say hence. So this result is somewhat lengthy. See the proof once again. So let x is equal to a secant theta. Differentiate, you will get a secant theta tan theta. Put both the values in this. So you will get what actually? Secant theta. What is integral of secant theta? Log of secant theta plus tan theta plus k. In place of c, I have written k. Now secant theta is nothing but x by a. Now find tan from the figure. So tan is nothing but root over x square minus a square by a. Take LCM, you will get this. Log a by b, we can write as log a minus log b. So in place of a minus log a, we can write as c. So this only we have to prove. I hope all these steps are clear. Let us see the proof of last result. Integral dx divided by root over x square plus a square equal to log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. The proof of this is similar to the previous one. Let us see this one. So in previous case we have taken x is equal to a secant theta. Here we will take let x is equal to a tan theta. Now dx means differentiate. So here I can say differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of x1 is equal to a differentiation of tan theta. It is secant square theta. Here I can say d theta by dx. Dx cross multiply dx is equal to a secant square theta. Here I can say d theta. So what I am doing here is this value of x and this value of dx I am keeping here. Now put the values. So this will become what actually dx. So it is a secant square theta d theta divided by, now square root of x square. So what is x square? A square tan square theta plus a square. Here I can say what? So d theta is here. Now let us simplify this. Proof is almost similar to previous one. So this we can write as a secant square theta divided by, this we can write as, I think a square is here, a square is here. So we can take a square common. What we will get? Tan square theta plus 1. And here I can say what? d theta. Or this we can write as a secant square theta divided by. Now see here. This we can write as a square tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but secant square theta. So secant square theta will come here. Here I can say d theta. Or this we can write as a into secant square theta divided by 1 a will come outside and 1 secant will come outside. Here I can say d theta. So a cancel, secant theta cancel. What is left? Left is integral of secant theta d theta. What is integral of secant theta? It is nothing but log of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Or this we can write as log of, what is secant theta? So look here. So from here, what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but, here I can say x by a. So we want secant. So let us draw one right angle triangle. This is theta. This is x. This is a. Use Pythagoras theorem. So this we can write as x square plus a square. Now put the values. So tan theta is nothing but x by a plus, what is secant theta? So from figure, secant square theta is nothing but x square plus a square divided by, here I can say a plus c. Now you can see here denominator is same. So take LCM. So when you take LCM, you will get log of, so a plus b we can write as b plus a, both are same or not. So x plus root over x square plus a square divided by, here I can say a plus c. Log a by b we can write as log a minus log b or not. So this we can write as log of x plus root over x square plus a square, right, minus log a plus, now instead of c I am taking k, so that c we can write at the end. So here I can say plus k. Now this k minus log a is constant, and constant we can take any letter. So I am taking c. So here I can say log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. So this only we have to prove. So here we can say what? Hence. So proof is similar to what we studied last time. See here. So what we have done here is, assume x is equal to a tan theta. Differentiate, you will get a secant square theta d theta. Put both the values in this. So finally again you will get secant theta. Integral of secant theta is nothing but log of secant theta plus tan theta plus k. Now from the figure tan theta, okay, we know tan theta is x by a. Draw one right angle triangle and find secant theta. So log of something a by b form here. Log of a by b we can write as log a minus log b. Now k minus log a we can write as c, where c is nothing but constant of integration. So in today's class we have seen 6 important results. So first two results same type, third and fourth same proof, and 5 and 6 result same proof. So when you come to the next class, just revise, okay, and let us see the questions which are based on these 6 important results. So sometimes they will ask these results for complete 5 marks, and sometimes 4 marks will be given to the result and one supplement question will be given based on that result. So in the next class we will see questions which are based on these 6 important results. It will continue.